Welcome to Michelle's Beauty Room. I am going to contour my nose today. I'm super excited. As you can see, my nose, I've always had these lines. It does make a huge difference in making your face and your makeup look completely different if you contour your nose. Okay, my biggest tip is when you do the tip of your nose, when you're doing this, leave a space on each side. You do not want to connect them. If you are connecting it all the way down and it's too far wide, your nose starts to look like Bert and Ernie. We don't want Bert and Ernie nose. We want a skinny ridge. Anytime you use any kind of creams, especially with oily skin like I do, you want to set it with a powder. Okay, the best tip to finish it off, get a small brush, really skinny, find a highlight shimmery color. I love this one because it's yellow, so it blends in nice to my skin color. You're gonna do right down the ridge of your nose.